kids! Welcome to Peniel Learning Center YouTube channel. This is Teacher Jel, and today we're going to learn the alphabet. When we say the alphabet, we mean write your ABC. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with letter A. How to write letter A? We're talking about the uppercase and lowercase a here, okay? Now first, let's learn how to write the uppercase letter A. We write the uppercase letter A by writing or drawing two slant lines which face together. And we start from top to bottom. Okay, so now you can see on the screen two slant lines facing together. After that, we connect the two slant lines in the middle by writing a horizontal line which we start from left to right. Now that's your uppercase letter A. How about the lowercase letter A? In writing your lowercase letter A, we write a curved line which faces right. And then we connect the ends of the curved lines by writing or drawing a vertical line which starts from top to bottom. Now that's your lowercase letter A. So now we know how to write letter A. Now let's go to words which start with the letter A. First, we have ant. Also, we have alligator. And then we have ape. All these words begin with letter A. We have, again, ant, alligator, and ape. A, a, a. We say a, a, a. And a, a. The letter A is said in two ways. A, and a. A, just like in animals, alligator, and ant. And A, just like in acorn and ape. That's A and A. So kids, today we learned about letter A, how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter A, and the words which begin with the A sounds. Remember, A can be said in two ways, A and A. Next meeting, we will be learning about letter, can you make a guess? Right, letter B. In the meantime, please don't forget to like our Facebook page, Peniel Learning Center, and subscribe at our YouTube channel, Peniel Learning Center. Thank you, kids. See you again.